We set everything to the side. You know, people they're always going to have something to say. Our families, our friends, but this is for us. It's not for them. This is for us.
We have to expose ourselves,
Yes.
literally expose our souls to make the journey we will.
Yes.
You know, when I found out that I was sick, I felt that I might. Doctors told me I might. I knew I felt horrible all the
Right.
time. And then when I found out, I had to go to the emergency room, and they had to give me insulin and IV and everything. And it was like the day or two before I was supposed to find out whether or not I could come. And I just called and I said, my God, how many other people were in line for an audition who thought this is a good idea, who don't have any idea it's more than a good idea. This is critical for you.
We're representing anyone that's white,
Can
black,
I identify? Right.
Asian, whatever, that are 300 pounds or more. And we want to be their role model. Say,
Yes.
look, you can do it.
Because it's
We
harder
laugh
for
about
that.
it, but we know it's going to take seriousness. It's going to take dedication. It's going to take all of that. And we're going to need everyone's support. Everyone's support. And we want to show them that you can do this too.
Yeah.
Set your mind to it. You can do anything that you want to do. Just set your mind to it.